Hi, this is Les with the Metro Real Estate Group, going through the 2019 Colorado contract to buy and sell residential real estate. Today we're going to look at the first part of paragraph 8, which has everything to do with title. In fact, it's so big we're going to break it down into three spots. So in this first one, let's look at the first two check boxes. They're basically the same. Either the seller is going to select the title company and pay for it, or the buyer will. Most often the seller does that, and they pay for the title insurance to protect the buyer. But the buyer has the option to do that if they'd rather pick their own title company. Owner's extended coverage is recommended for just about everybody. I don't know why you wouldn't. It doesn't cost very much extra, and it basically covers over some of the exceptions that you'll find in the title commitment. When the title company puts out their commitment, they have Section B, which is all the things called exceptions that they're not going to cover. And the owner's extended coverage will get rid of most of those and cover those as well for a small additional charge. So those are all in here. One of the interesting ones is this gap period they refer to here. That's between the time that this is signed and actual closing. If something else would come up that hadn't been foreseen before, that gets covered as well. So the additional money will be paid for the buyer or the seller. Generally, whoever did the checkbox in the first section will do it down here. So most cases, the seller is buying the title insurance, so they will buy the owner's extended coverage as well. The title documents are listed here, and they're all furnished to the buyer, and they're called, in general, the title documents. And the buyer is supposed to receive copies of all those before the record title deadline. This is sent to the buyer by the title company, and you should get those in plenty of time to look through those. As usual, you have the option to review and object to this before the objection deadline. So in your sole discretion, again, if you don't like the title report, you can object before the deadline and get out of it and get your earnest money back. However, if the seller has sent you everything within the deadlines and they don't hear back from you, either saying I'd like to adjust this or terminate the contract, then that means that you've accepted it. So be aware of that. So that's all for this section. We'll save the next one for the next time.